Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over what is all included in the Customer Hub. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with Three Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, all for the Christian woman. If this is something that you would like, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Okay, so now this is our free Customer Hub. If you are not a member of our Customer Hub, there is going to be a link in the bio so that you can join this hub so that you can receive all these goodies as well. You will need to create an account with Teachery, and so that way you can log in and log out whenever you want. Okay, so this is our hub. And to be able to use the hub, there's all these different sections in the hub. But to be able to use this hub, you're going to want to hit the click here button. And that's going to pull you up with each of the sections. So there's a little bit about me. If you're new to digital planning, I do have a GoodNotes tutorial. Digital planning tools that you can learn. This is a free access where you can learn just some tips on digital planning, some supplies. So there's me, and we'll go to the next. Next, we have directions on how to download all the items, and that's what all of those are in the different formats. Then we have, I need to update that. We have an overview where you can purchase the planner, where you can learn about digital sticker or color changing stickers. Then we have my shop. Then if you're wanting to learn how to make digital planners, there's a link to show you talking about that. I also have a printed shop where I have some planners on Amazon, so you can look at that. Okay, now here's the good stuff. We go into all of the different freebies. So this is our planner section. As of right now, I have the 2023 planner in this version, and this version available for you for free to try out. Then and that includes the planner. Then you also get a GoodNotes sticker set, an Elements sticker set, a note shelf sticker set, and a PNGs files. These are all the same. It's just the different formats that you can purchase or that you can receive. There's also a 1-month digital planner, and then a free notebook. And then if you're wanting to learn how to make digital planners, there's that one as well. Next, we go into our free stickers. We have a fall sticker set. This is kind of like a scripture sayings. Those two are. And then each of these blue sections are where the different files that are available for that particular one. So whichever one is underneath it is the files that are available for that one. We have a gratitude sticker set, another fall set, another scripture set. This one is changing a color changing thing for your weeks, and this is another color changing system. And then here is a pink version of free stickers. We have this one, some sticky notes in those two colors. And if you want to learn how to make color changing stickers, if you want to learn how to create digital stickers, those are some links for you available. Then we have our scripture writing. Every month there's a scripture writing. If you're interested in learning about a prayer Bible, there is our free hub for the prayer Bible. If you're interested in being part of our digital planning meetup, where you receive the devotional and the sticker set that is always released every month, and you also get an exclusive sticker set, all part of the membership. Plus, we have a 1-hour Zoom meeting that we can come together and fellowship, and you can ask questions for me, especially if you're a new digital planner. There's all kinds of fun stuff in that. So that's the link for that if you're interested in that. Then we go into some of the courses that I have created. Then we go into a Christian playlist on Spotify. You can check out the YouTube channel right from here. Here is some of my favorite podcasts, YouTubers. And then we have a section on like all of my favorite tools and things like that. So that is the hub, and yeah. So this is free for you. I'm going to, especially next year, I'm going to try to add something new to the hub every month. We'll see what that may be. And so I just hope you join. So go ahead and click that link in the bio or click the link in the description and go ahead and sign up for our free customer hub. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single thing. And I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.